Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a video that hopefully maybe somebody at the Insider program can see at some point, share with others, and hopefully answer to in a way. We talked about the 10th anniversary of the Windows Insider program that was on October the 1st. I was a insider from day one. Excited to play part of being an insider and help out with, bugs and the sense that we would help as an enthusiast. I could help Microsoft and Windows be a better place for regular folks. And I think Microsoft at the beginning succeeded in making us excited of being insiders. And of course, a lot of people got on board. Even people that are not very tech savvy got on board. And they wanted to be part of the Insider program. So, in a few recommendations that I would like to kind of give and about the Insider program, and that I would hope they could listen to this and watch this video. First of all, it's totally confusing today. I'm on a Canary channel here. There's a dev channel, a beta channel, a release preview. And there's no sense of any order. Canary channel doesn't necessarily mean you're getting the latest features. Some features are going to the dev or even beta channel before they are in the Canary or not even showing up. There's no logic in that at all. Zero logic. This is, for me, a total loss of direction. Remember when the Windows Insider program started, we had two rings. Just two. One was fast ring, one was slow ring. It pretty much said what it had to say. Anybody in the fast ring was getting the latest features, but with a risk that was told that, yeah, you also have the chance of having a buggy, a buggier Windows experience. And I was in the fast ring. I was okay with that. I reinstalled a few times Windows 10 Insider previews because they bugged out and I was locked out of, I had to just reinstall. And there was slow ring, which was after being tested in the fast ring, features would go into the slow ring, and chances of having a problem in the slow ring was inexistent or very, very small. And that was very logical. It's like test features. If you want it first, go in fast ring. If you can wait, go into slow ring. That totally logical, and that's the way it should be back. Because this is a big mess that means nothing. It's important, for the insiders to know where we are heading. What are we testing? Where is it going? What version of Windows is going to, get it? Is the Canary channel testing 25H2? We have no idea. And by the looks of it, even before we had 24H2, some of the 24H2 features went into the other channels and not in the Canary. There's zero logic in there, which makes me think that you choose a channel, it doesn't matter. This should be gone. This is too complicated, and having a sense of direction does help insiders know, okay, right now, if I'm in the fast ring, I'm testing 25H2 features, since now 24H2 is here. And if I'm in the the slow ring, I'm, testing out features that will eventually come to 25H2 after they are tested on the fast ring. And then you had release preview with tests that were that release preview that came with like really testing things that are going to come out soon is a good idea. Every time that I see that Patch Tuesday updates, I've never gone through release preview before going to everybody. Makes me think Microsoft is is the Windows team is really, really dumb. Why aren't you testing those? Just look at the bug fixing updates that created a problem last month. Well, maybe if they would have been tested for a few weeks in the release preview before, you would have seen the bug before it actually was released to everybody. That's the kind of thing that you need to fix that. And you need to fix another thing. If you're in an insider program, there is no need for a get the latest updates as soon as they're available. This means nothing. You don't need that. You're in the insider program. You're getting the latest update. The other thing I would say is stop giving half of the features to some and none to others. It's absolutely a nonsense. It's always been. I don't know how many times we've talked about it with Windows 10 features being offered to some, not offered to others. Give it to everybody. Everybody in the fast ring wants it, especially in the fast ring. If you're in the fast ring, we all want to have the new features immediately. That's the way we are. We're enthusiasts. Give us the features. Don't give half of them to some people. It's more frustrating than anything else to not have a feature. That definitely needs to be there. Bring back the excitement. I'm sure that Amanda Langowski is probably very good at what she has to do. But we want to have a Donna Sarkar. We want to have somebody that is excited and is actually bringing that excitement to us too. Donna Sarkar was capable of doing that. We want that. I mean, come on. And last but not least, Microsoft makes so much money. Wouldn't it be kind of cool that if you're an insider and you are one of the, if you participated a lot and shared fixes and shared a lot in the feedback hub and so on, wouldn't it be great that Microsoft gives out gifts? I mean, they're capable of sending out gifts. Anything from stickers to t-shirts to maybe some really cool prices to those that are really, really out there. Some people in the Windows Insider program are all day on their bill trying to find and help, and they post dozens and dozens and dozens of feedback hub messages. Hey, man, pick the top 10 and say, hey, you want an Xbox? I don't know. It wouldn't cost much to the company to do that, especially for people that are helping. So, hope you guys listen, because that's what it should be again. Because right now, zero excitement. I'm not even sure what I'm doing in the Canary build. I feel like if it wasn't that it's so, I have to reinstall, I might take this PC that I have here on the Canary build and put it back into a simple standard Windows 11, and that's it. So, hope you can see this and things change. Maybe I should send this video as a suggestion to all of you to find a couple. I got a couple of emails of some of the guys in the Windows Insider program at Microsoft. I think I'm going to send them a little email and say, hey, little suggestion here. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.